All about fit. So this is your boy King Shamase. We are back again. Lona ke elikazikano Putshuzwayo. Always angihambi ke ngedwa ngihamba ne legend Sicelo Zuma, the legendary. Welcome back my king.
Sibingelele, we greet you all. Siyanibingelela Shamase, ngibingelele ababukeli. Everyone who's watching us ekhaya semgaqweni siyanibingelela kakhulu sithi welcome to another episode.
Yes sir, exciting one. And sixolise guys for skipping the weeks. You know kade ngikhala lapha nesikhumbula izinto eziningi kakhulu. As a result, as you know ukuthi sibuye senza ama charity things. Kade sibhizi sambela ikole Msholozi. Remember siqhuba yona leyo ukuthi silekelele ingane sithenga icathulo bese Chesterville nje sambele ikole ezu3 khona. So shout out to Take 2 TV for trying the best. So masingekho la soke senza something productive guys, ningashaye kakhulu. Msholozi siyafundisa eska development. I think it's better if we start by ukufaka isikole.
Akukho konye ngilapho nje mina la khona where I'm coming in ukuthi sizosizana no coach. Where I'm coming in not ukuthi I'm an expert, not ukuthi ngumuntu owazi kakhulu, but as I'm saying ukuthi it's very important ukuthi thina so coaches sizane yabo. So today sikhuluma ngetopic ethanda ukusicindezela sonke so coach yokuthi ingane mazidlala ibhola from 6 to 11 maybe 11 uthola ukuthi ziyabhantsha leli gama lokuthi ziyahlangana yonke umuntu ulandela ibhola ukuthi how can we overcome that situation in my own personal view and in how I've been observing and looking at things. So that is very important. So sikhuluma ngalo topic namhlanje ngicabanga abantu they will also engage and also find ukuthi bakhulume nabo basinike izimvo zabo coach, abanye futhi bakwazi ukuthi basilekelele ukuthi how can we then improve on the things thina sesithe sazibona ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi sibalekelele ngazo nabaphinde bakwazi ukuimprove ekhaya. So ingakho ngila njengamanje.
Okay, thank you so much Msholozi. Niyazwa ke guys, and I think inayibonela ukuthi sikuphi sise Pine Town la Pine Crest. But Pine Creek le.
Yeah, Pine Creek. Yes.
Yeah guys, as you see siyabonga kakhulu for the sponsorship. Msholozi lana basiphathele something ukuthi kunama promotion guys specific here. So mawazi Take 2 TV, this is your ticket. Bane full chicken lana enama rolls awu2 bafethu ngo 290.
Cabanga.
Imagine. Bese u-add ne-juice yakho kube much. Bese kuba khona i-big combo, bathi big 3 combo mabeyisho u169. 200 gram wama ribs, ithigh nevors, ama cheetah corns inyama ke. Kodwa no mama sengababona bethi afuna inyama. Yeah bafethu no, let's go back to it Msholozi.
No.
Asicathulis.
Thank you so much for that. Ukusaletha ngala ma specials because they can only be here at Spain it.
Exactly.
Yeah, so very important ukuthi support and nathi sifisa nje ukudlulisa ukubonga kubona. So mina what I've come to realize ukuthi ingane mazibhantsha ukuthi zibhantshiswa ukuthi ingane sometimes zibamba ibhola zikhohlwa into eyi1 ukuthi uma mina ngiphethe ibhola ngiya kumngani wami uvela umngani wami usenkingeni njobe ephethe ibhola.
Yes.
So thina njengo coach we must create ama situations ukuthi siba emphasize ukuthi ngalesikhathi umngani wakhe ephethe ibhola wena awuyi kuyena uyavula ispace ubaleke eduze kwakhe ukuze wena uzokwazi ukuthola ibhola free. Another thing that is crucial uma ubatshela lokho kufanele sibatshele ngento epractical.
Okay.
Ukuthi ibhola has been wanted by lo muntu ogqoke ibhibhe engafani nawe.
Okay.
Uma wena uya kumngani wakho which means ukuthi uya kuyena ufika umfakela ipressure ngoba kuza omunye umuntu oza kunina osefuna ukuzonimaka kuzoba lulu kunimaka uma nike endaweni eseduzana amabanga wena eseduzana. So then you start creating ama situations even ejimini where you say ukuthi akube nokuphaselana okuvulelene ngakwama distance nokwamabanga mase ubenze ukuthi ba understand eqala ukuthi abake badlale lento ekuthiwa i2v1
Okay.
la bazoma kwakhona umuntu oyedwa bebabili.
No right.
So kulama age group is very important ukuthi we try and create situations anjalo way before ukuze bakwazi ukuthi ba understand ukuthi ukubhantsha in a normal game, which means ukuthi lo muntu one problem ephethe ibhola, then mina uma ngiza kuyena ngimlethela iproblem engabe ngimenzela isolution yokuthi ngivule so that ngizokwazi ukuphaselela.
Okay.
So uma ngabe wenza njalo, you tend to get more ibhola in areas and ukwazi futhi na ukuthola omnye umngane wakho uzomphasela. Omunye ke shamasu uzobuza ukuthi kuze kufike lapho sicelo kodwa umenza kanjani umntwana ngaphandle kokumfeeda so much of this information that I've just said.
Yes.
What you do is that always a training you must make sure ukuthi mabe igqoka amabhibhi they know ukuthi where they facing, why are they facing that situation. So that it gets into their head ukuthi manje when they need to open up they open. So maningi amagame ke singawadlala when we start to prepare that we need also to make sure that we do a proper warm up of them understanding ukuthi they are running away from an opponent. So it means your warm up should be meaning ukuthi they must run away from the opponent. Then you create that and then in a game situation izokwazi ukuthi gradually ihambe izingene. Akuyona ke into engathatha isession eyodwa to happen. It needs a variety of sessions and it needs more time and more energy to us as coaches. Okay. So it's very important. This is a topic that is touching my heart because you will find that kids but if the more we understand as coaches that stop punching, but we tell them find solution, move, get into space. We talk those language so that figure in other spaces they are able to see space and where to pass in the space.
Okay.
So it's very important.
Wow.
So ingako bengithi coach will then engage ngoba what I will do as well angithi we are here at Spare right now.
Yes.
We will then njengoba senza ke gradually manje with izinto nadoba siloku zama ama sponsors ukuthi sithole support for us to get into manje masenza lento njengoba se live and then we go and do it live fielding so that they can see the topic besikhuluma ngayo. So uma ngabo coach kodwa they've got a problem yokuthi how can we do lento le, they can always send a comments and then we will send the sessions via our platform.
Okay.
The topic esiyenzayo will be also available on our platforms leso ishare khona, so sizoyenza nje sketch one where now they need to understand yabo njengo coach ukuthi this movement usho lokhu, this is the warm up, this is what that's what we gonna try and create and do so that it's varied and it goes with the topic here to yalolo la. So they must make sure they comment on this and make sure ukuthi bayabona yini ukuthi it's something that can work for 6-year-old until 11 years old, so that maybe for 12 they then understand ukuthi what is it when we talk about ukuthi find a space and also to be able to receive in order for them to make a decisive pass to their teammates.
Hey, mkholozo sokusho konke ngeke ukhakhana ngaqini mabefunda o2v ibani
2v1 yes
no 1v1 as early as they are. I think lezo zinto sayibona lapha kulama team amakhulu mangabe benza beyomaka they go as now in numbers.
Yes.
Also mabefuna ukudraw
bakhetela ukuthi uyiba nebhola but that's why we're gonna press you and take your ball off you. So it's very important. I mean like so the more we engage in these topics the more we develop more thinking players because we don't want our players who baba ma robots. We want them to think. We want them to think. That's why I'm saying that we don't want them to punch. We want them to think rather than go to your friend onenkinga vele ngoba ibhola liyinkinga at his own. Kusafanele receive and now you're coming with pressure. So kufanele umphule away from pressure so that ezokwazi ukujika lo muntu, because that's 1v1 ngisho esiyenza occasionally egymini. So he must be able ukuthi makuza umuntu kuyena oyi-1 amdribble, that's a thinking player. Or mhlawumbe aliphase very early because now usesibonile ispace. So but gradually they need to understand that ukuthi kancane kancane kule development asijahile, sijahe ukubona ama result even if ngathatha 2 years, but it may say understand it will be better for us ukuthi now si createile one of abantwana that can think quicker and more faster and benza ama decision very quick.
Okay. No, asibambe msholozi for today. Kancane kancane ayiphelileke njengoba eshila umsholozi ukuthi we also wish to go fielding so that we gonna see these things live. Abanye bafunda kalula amabebuka, abanye bayebamba theory asifani. So these skills are so powerful kwi development stage. And let me not further it. Msholozi kade lokho sikhala la ukuthi we need a guest on this platform.
No, we will get the guest and also umuntu that also want to be part of this. Ngobe yabo abantu.
Exactly.
So you can also send a shout out and usho ukuthi hey me I wanna be in the show. Njengoba sishilo sathi mhlawumbe ungathuka na usudla i-breakfast espare, mhlawumbe kokunye usuke i-breakfast yasespare na uyizwe, and then tell others so that they can always support ispare ngoba ispare is about family. Isicelo ke nespare bandawonye, so we do things lana ekhaya ngoba si nobudlelwane nje obukhulu. So yazi mfethu khona into engiphethe kabuhlungu la. I think into abalandeli engabatshela yona, I think it was 2 weeks siqala show, or it's been 3 weeks 4 weeks kanjalo. Lo ngithi Chiefs is on a building stage.
Oh yes. Na
inkinga ke manje we cannot not touch that topic. Sizokhuluma nje ama topic awu2 ye Chiefs, then siye kule title race eyenzakalayo.
Yes sir.
Kunenkinga la mfethu kwi Chiefs. I think ngoba right noma ngibe wrong. We analyze ibhola thina, we are not in football nje kancane. Ngithi mina sine problem ye Chiefs uku understand ukuthi what is really happening. Omizo ngibuza usicela uthini shabasana na ungibuza. Kwi Chiefs iDDC ayina inkinga.
Okay.
iDDC is competing against Pirates, against Sundowns. They are decent, very decent. And badlala kahle. Umbuzo uthi what is the cause of first team ingadlali kahle? Because uma kunjalo Shamase eteamini in any team bheka iMagesi ngenza umzekelo, you go to iMagesi ngenza an example, uya kuMagesi ufike ubheke ifirst team yabo ine problem, uye ku DDC ine problem, kuyahambisana. But ku Chiefs kuvari, Chiefs DDC is doing better, well, if I may say. Over the years they won the league, they've been doing well with DDC. But when it comes to first team, there's a huge problem. Yini inkinga Shamase uma ungabuka? Laleli ngabe yini inkinga? Ngicela usho kodwa mina ngizontshela emva kwala Shamase sephemlile.
On behalf of abalaleli, abalandeli njalo ngibukela nje number fethu, I think it's the management for me. And I feel like kulesa squad se Kaizer Chiefs, unfortunately abadlali abayikhetheli ukuthi imini ofuna ukudlalela iChiefs. Ama signings are sure, but I feel for the jersey, the Chiefs is too big for them. They don't deserve to be there. But ke ngicela ukuyibamba lapho msholozi.
I'm hearing a lot of that, and I have so much dispute on it. I've got a dispute yokuthi mina ngizothi iChiefs right now iproblem yayo ayikho kwi management. There is a possibility yokuthi management, we talk about the management for mina is that abantu abavara abahlukene.
Yes.
iChiefs has deployed abantu bakubo endaweni, which is good. But the problem manje isiyabonisa ukuthi iyamdinga umuntu wangaphandle ozoba ne accountability. Ozoba like a CEO yangaphandle, because that's such a brand deserve umuntu that will have into ethi I'm accountable for this and this and this.
Okay.
But the main problem yami Chiefs team, they have not only lost the structure, they've also lost i-identity yabo as a brand. So into engizama ukuyishona ngizama ukuthi Shamase, you are also right in what you're saying, but mina mangiyibuka ngokwebhola per se ngiyibuka ukuthi abanaye umuntu we-Chiefs manje right now who was doing umsebenzi kaBobby Mtaunga. I feel like uJunior get into this space kodwa he needed the guidance.
Guidance, yes.
I don't know if they work hand in hand noBobby truthfully. Yabo ngoba mina I believe ukuthi uBobby did so much work, great work with Chiefs when he was still recruiting players and bringing players on board. Why it seems like uBobby has just been in a shadow with Chiefs while he's there? I feel like there is so much going on in terms of that because uBobby, I still believe namanje uBobby he can revive the Chiefs. Junior can revive the Chiefs through Bobby's experience.
Okay, too.
So I don't think there is any player in this world who ongafuna ukudlala Chiefs.
That's true.
But I think Bobby was having those capabilities of making sure that he convinced any player to join the Kaizer Chiefs. But I don't think his skill is corner kwabanye abalandelayo because it shows ukuthi njobe ethatha isit back kube ne problem. So mina ngithi uBobby he's the person that is a link. I don't know ukuthi ukhona deep with Chiefs or what, because scouting team sabo sibukeka ngathi weak kodwa ku DDC they seems like they are not interfering with DDC. That's why DDC is doing well. With DDC you recruit when some players, but the problem player mayisuka with DDC Chiefs isuka ize ku Chiefs uthola ukuthi ku Chiefs ayizonikwa so much of izovelinikwe umsebenzi onzima njengomdu. Abazonikwa umsebenzi onzima ucarry Chiefs in their shoulders. Mese sithi abekho right, abekho capable ukudlalela iChiefs. I still maintain ukuthi ke manje mase kuza lapha ke manje kuthenini nje ubusho njalo Shamasi. I would also say mina ukuthi mhlambe on the day as well all coach they fail in terms of their own work to do. Because awukwazi ukushintsha kade uPulo Medu so improve then go back again, which means ukuthi ikhona iproblem. I can tell you this much. I don't think any player fika ku PSL inga deserve ukufika khona. Futhi I'm not saying ukuthi iChiefs inama players akufanele athile kufanele adlale kuyona ne Sundowns the same. I'm saying mina if we identify a right attitude player it can fit into any team, but the problem is beginning nayo with Chiefs right now ukuthi ba lose faith kubona and abanaye ucoach ongababuyisa ithemba kubona. Mina I tell you this much ukuthi ayiki player edlule enye player ngokudlala ibhola. Awungizwa kahle.
Ngiyakuzwa mina.
Ayikho iplayer edlula enye iplayer ngokudlala ibhola. I-player edlule nyazi kanjani Shamasi thina sidlala ibhola le yenza kangcono kunalo more quicker than le enye, but they can always do the same work. But lo angawenzi more quicker or more clever than lo. Angazi understand. So uma sizokuphika lokho sizokuphika ngokuthi no sicela unamanga. No, anginawo amanga. uMessi khona umuntu ongadlala espacing saMessi. But the difference will be uMessi can do a quicker job than lo kodwa nalo engawenza umsebenzi awenze ngendlela yakhe, angeke awenze njengoMessi. Ingakho ngithi ayikho player ehlule enye player because okube kuthiwa bekunjalo ngabe uMessi utheme ehamba kuBarcelona engaphinde yadlala iBarcelona yaphela nya. You understand?
Makes a lot of sense. Yes.
So manje
same thing with the Pirates.
Into enjalo ingabe kuthiwa manje hayi kodwa lo uzowenza umsebenzi kodwa ngeke awenze njengalo kodwa naye still a very good player on his own caliber. Uyayibo? So ingakho ngithi mina ngeke ngibezwe abantu bethi hayi no ubani no ayikho into enjalo. I-player ne-player ekhona it must be respected. Those players the Chiefs they need respect. They've worked hard ukuba ku Chiefs. So when someone comes and say ukuthi my player Chiefs awa deserve obo Chiefs, I'm just saying point on a
get
point
you.
of view,
Yeah.
yeah, fan, you can say that. But mina as a person, I will never say umuntu akadeserve wasemsebenzini wakhe. When I know ukuthi engawenza umsebenzi, it's just that angeke awenze njengalo wena omthandayo ocaba ukuthi wenza kangcono kunalo.
Kunalo munye.
Ingakho ngisho njalo ke.
Hey, it's critical. So mhlawumbe wena Msholozi mawuyibuka yonke le yanto sicabangela thina ngaphandle singazi ngempela what's happening. What's needed to be done right now?
Right now ilento engishoyo, bring Bobby back.
Okay.
Bobby fully abe involved,
Yeah.
and then bring a new setup of how you do things.
Yeah.
Let Jessica be there because she's brilliant on what she does in terms of marketing the club.
Yeah.
Club in Chiefs in terms of marketing. I think she's doing a marvelous job. But you have to reshuffle.
Yeah.
Reshuffle this situation. Look for umuntu for mina. Mina bengi Chiefs bengalanda one of the greatest coaches. Ngamabomu. Oh lama players.
Yeah.
Bengizofika iPitso Benny Wozani.
Yeah.
Ngizothatha lo mthwalo nginibone ukuthi njani. Ngimcele nje uPitso ukuthi yes come with your team, but I also want to Benny being involved.
And work what you have.
As uPitso ne team yakhe because he's got his team,
Yes.
but uBenny am involved. Abe mhlawumbe second assistant or first assistant yakhe uBenny Makhadi.
Hayi khulumile Msholozi bafethu athina wena ama comment we are free ukubeka umbono wakho awukho wrong awukho right, it's how you think, it's how you analyze this thing your game. Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest club, so that's why it's topic no matter kuyehla noma kuyanyuka it must talk about it.
Yes.
Hadlalela ama game Msholozi a lot.
Yeah.
We don't even remember the predictions that we gave them last time.
Kodwa hamba kahle.
Yeah, imostamba kahle.
Kakhulu. Bayazi nabo abalaleli ukuthi abanye bahlomule. Hey manje ile race besithe sokhuluma ngayo ukuthi sibona ngathi
yaphi.
Yeah. Aliyabhupha. But okwamanje looking at how things are.
Yeah.
I'm saying it's going to be a very difficult season for the Pirates.
Very difficult one.
Reason being Sundowns I lose mesekuso. Kodwa if the Pirates izuloku ibekezela ngoba it's not easy for them. I see them engathi kodwa kulonyaka uNkulunkulu uzobanika le cup.
Give them.
Ngesizathu sayizolo. Izolo bese ngithi sebedrawile.
Yeah.
They come from nowhere. Bebedlala kahle. Pirates ne problem ukuthi abakori. But ke izolo I'm still saying what coach unokwenza nje ama decision amanye but ngoba coach sothula izolo I felt two subs were I laid down the Pirates.
Okay.
But hey mina mfethu ngiyahluleka ucrem ukuthi coach if someone is doing well why do you take him out? I mean like police was doing exceptionally well. And mina for mina Umuremi came on, did give Pirate another dimension of the game, but mina to be honest I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani, but mina angazi ngizosho njalo, but it's like ubone le decision, but because ucoach ufana umhloniphe nge decision yakhe, but mina nje ngibona ukuthi lapho nje yabo there's sometimes uMakhopa hasn't done bad to keeper yabo ufaka umfana down in confidence. Yes, we understand the boy, we alazi ball umbuthuma, but I'm just saying ukuthi at the moment is currently not living up to iyamsinda lento, so manje miyeke uMakhopa mfethu because he's still there, but if you keep uMakhopa ke then Risha Flisha udlala without a striker, fakulo kunja mfethu faku uTito, then start ukuthi urele must have ungabi na 9 ungabi na number 9 because uScott umrem lo sanda kumfaka mfethu ozo yabo nje that sub mina was gonna say if I'm pulling out uMakhopa, I'm taking out uMakhopa, I mean uMakhopa, then I bring on uTito because the game is empty. Yabo Tito, then Morem when I go in as a striker as a 10, but if not we have no strike at all because Morem is fast and then we have bezobaniki problem go kitchima direct yabo, but into kade ngizoyenza nasejimini ke, but you know the story thina sibona kakhulu kanti akukho njalo, so kodwa nje mina bengeke ngimkhipha uMakhopa if ngimfaki umuntu ozoba more creative in terms of that yabo, but ke izinto zakhona, but I'm saying ukuthi Pirates for me they are doing so much well. Sizobona kodwa mina ngibona ngathi Sundowns has got an edge over Pirates for winning the league. it's unfortunate because Sundowns in a great record show ukuthi it can win all the games. Pirates ayinalo track record ingenzeka ishawa amazulu ngenzeka ishawa yabo, so it's something kanjani ngoba nayizolo it was almost a draw yabo, but Sundowns nje yashaya arrows ne-2-0 okay 1-0 yabuya but ke but yabona
it's too much.
Abalaleli they must be impressed kwizinto but yasasa
it's too much kushube kakhulu yamjaho. Besibuka kanje i-chart makora abanye ngala kukhuphuka abanye ngala, it's amazing. And mawubuka ama-subs abenzeka lapha kwi-Pirates, I don't know, but it's the coach with his genius and the team. Every time he brings in bathini nale gama lakhe ambulance yeah, this guy uTito, he's been scoring goals every time when he comes in kuma matches. Maucheka nje kamka as a sub ufika kori goal.
The coach said he's got an impact players, which I believe it really does. Because a team like Pirates, you don't have substitutions. You have impact players. Impact players are players that must come in and give you another dimension of a game. I think Tito came on and he had 2 chances to score. Cornelian Kechengo right, and then this one finally it was an open net. But what I'm saying, Wuti, we are happy for them because, to be honest, as someone that also was involved in football, we don't want a dominance of one team, man. We want a change. At least Pirate, if they are giving Sundowns a run for their man, it's good and go. We are happy for that.
True.
Oh, I won't lie. We are happy for that.
True.
Ngoba kufanele kube ukuthi team win nje kalule with no interruptions very win. So we are happy. We are truly happy for the Pirates.
And the league is so interesting. Ngosikhukhune bathuli bahamba phansi. Bashaya induku nabo.
Kakhulu but ingiphathe kabuhlungu iChiefs ngokuluza lama game nyana because I was seeing them as also a dark horse. I was saying he's a dark horse. But ke i-team mayise ku building stage. Kulule ukuthi singaboni ukuthi sabhilwa. That's why ngithi asibanike i-chance bona abafana. I don't know about coaches though, because coach vele bebefuna uzo-assist babe ngafikanga bona uku-apply lo msebenzi ukuthi ubani wabo bona bengcono ukuthi bangawuthatha over umsebenzi ongaka, I don't know.
And yazi Chiefs ngokwami nje ngiyihlathi nginje njengoba isaxhuka, I feel like lo mjita kuthulilepo mangase bamtest abamdlalise as a striker.
Akafanshini sengeke ngabuka amagame amaningi. Agafanshini, I don't know, but Agafanshini, it doesn't seem to enjoy himself like he enjoy himself as on the wing. I think there are those players that are like that. But now for a physical, I was thinking the same, that the Chiefs can roof around him, but he doesn't function. I've seen a lot of games for him function.
I coach said it, Nyazi, I mean, ngimele nini emakhaya, coach represent our coach and the management. Nomsholos asivale putwami. Champion, what do we have next week or next time?
Nje ukuthi i-topic elandelayo is to emphasize on ukuthi ingane ibe ne confident. Yini esingayincedisa ukuthi ingane ekwaziyo nengakwazi ukudlala ibhola kodwa izithemba nokuzethemba. Ibe nokuzithemba. So i-topic elandelayo le esobe sisho ngayo ukuthi senza njani ukuze lokho kwazi ukwenzeka. Ukuthi ingane ikwazi ukwenza noma ingakwazi ukwenza. Yini esiyenzayo thina ukuze ibe neconfident bangahlekani ejimini. Uthi ungayitwenza session uthi ingane seziyaqala ziyahlekana. Ukuthi yabo so sobanceda coach lapha.
Thank you so much Msholozi. We're gonna see you next week guys. Ngakhohlaka ukuya lapha kwa YouTube. Facebook is gone. TV balwa kanje as you can see. Ngicela ukuvala la ngithi Sicelo Sports Skills is also on Facebook, Instagram as well as TikTok. And we have a Pinetown Super Cup ezovula kungekudala. So also sinabantu abasizile kakhulu abaka player bets esifuna ukuba mention nabo la, they bought us equipment. We are wonderful ukuthi basishare. So kusasa nje sizobe sinabo sibezo hand over. We are grateful and we wish more
of such people to come and assist, because this thing is heavy and we appreciate abazali besicelo. Continue supporting us, we continue supporting the vision, and continue to embrace and love the badge. Most importantly, that's the love that we want to create that one day isicelo mase sifika ku PSL nibe nazi ukuthi sasisuka kuphi. Siyabonga.
Danko bafethu, come on board please. Danko Diski podcast with Usicelo Zuma. I'm signing out. This is King Shamas.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.